is a projector. Does it work?
Yeah, it works.
What are you asking for it?
There's a queen, there's a twin, and then over here's a king.
So this is $1.60. That makes 2 this week.
How old are these cast iron pieces?
You know, I actually don't know for sure. I tried doing a little bit of research, and I just kind of guessed because I really don't know.
This is cute. Look at that. Pool table with like the little like.
Yeah, I loved that little set. That was cute for entertaining.
All brand clothing. How much is the
15.
15? You said it was $5?
$5.
Does it work?
Yeah.
It does work?
Yeah.
Would you 10 for it? Okay. Cool. With this and then that. No. Morning. This is a projector. Does it work?
Yeah, it works.
What are you asking for it?
20.
20? Yeah, it's cool. Wow, look at that thing. Man, you probably want to just can't wait for someone to take that away. It's so big.
Yeah.
It's so big.
What about this little sprayer? You have this in the box?
What's up? No, that's for like chemicals, bugs. What else we got in here? Oh, there's a giant. That's good. I was like, what is this? Is that a giant werewolf?
Yeah, it is.
I went to bend down, the thing started going off, so.
Yeah.
Scared him.
For like projections.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this.
Okay.
See what else you got. You want this for the car? So you can start singing karaoke all day long? No? Alright, I'll take that,
Projector? Okay.
yeah. $20 bucks.
sir.
Thank you. Is that yours? Good.
Yeah,
No.
you too. Good luck. Sorry.
Yeah. You might want to look for that box there. How much are video games? That we.
Honestly,
Oh, that one has a 5 on it. Is that
You're the
5
first
or
one
no?
recorded
give 'em
tonight.
all to you
I came
for
prepared.
$8.
Okay. And then how much are the boots?
I have no idea.
Mom, boots. Sorry.
Right, thank you. Those are $5.
Okay. And then how much was this thing?
Free.
Okay. And then you have a cat box up front there. Litter box?
10.
Does that work?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. You only want 10
It
bucks?
works like a dream. I call it the 30 flusher.
Yeah. Alright, so. Yeah, she said it works.
How much do you want for
10 bucks.
10 bucks? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, we'll take that then.
Band-Aid?
Can I pay you, sir? Actually, what do we got over here?
I don't have any change, but
I don't
if you need change, they got it.
That's probably $3.
know what this is, but a little paperweight. Alright, so I got, that was 8, that's 11, that's 16, $17.50 plus 10 is $27.50. Just do 25. Cool, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you, man. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Look at that. Get that for Jalen. You're getting your picture all wet, man.
Making off. That's.
No, I seen you're getting it wet because you're hosing the.
Oh!
Yeah, you have it on the ground.
Oh, crap. Forgot that was that.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
What do you want for it?
Whatever. Now that it's wet.
$5?
Sure.
All right.
This one's being sold by the daughter.
Okay, this is cool. This
I
and
just
that.
saw the back. Can you imagine? There's no way. I would never. I know I didn't spend.
Yeah. You probably got it at like Ross or something.
Yeah, no, it was
What is?
not.
What's the backstory on this thing?
This was just a
Display?
An old, display, yeah, from a garage, and so I added the little.
Oh, you
NASCAR
added that.
thing.
Oh, gotcha. Okay,
This one's a collector's. These ones are just ones I've had.
gotcha.
But,
It's
yeah.
$250 for the whole thing.
Or making offer. Or
Yeah.
whatever, yeah.
No, it's a cool little setup. Good morning.
How you doing, young man?
Doing good.
A little cool today, but I don't
Yeah.
care.
Oh, party speaker.
Yeah, party speaker.
You guys like them speakers?
Yeah.
That's not what I wanted. I got it, and I bought it, and I bought it at pennies, and not what I want. Never been out of the box. Never been out of the box. I got it home. I said, this ain't what I wanted.
How much is it?
How much do you want for it?
Well, I get $50 or something for it with my discounts and everything else. So,
What do you have in the pants?
huh?
The pants?
Pants? They were $4, but I'll give them for $3. Brand new, but they're 36s. Are you 36?
Depends on. It could be. Yeah.
36 or under. If you're under, you're okay. If you're over,
Since all these Doctors are the exact same size and they're all brand new, we're gonna put them in just one lot, and we should probably get anywhere from like $40 to $60 for the whole lot.
yeah, $3 a piece.
Morning. Is that Minecraft? Doesn't seem Minecraft. Yep.
Lincoln Logs.
Oh yeah, Lincoln Logs. Did you have those as a kid? You didn't ever have Lincoln Logs? What a deprived child you were. What? Dog shoes?
That's for lab size.
Lab size. Yeah, we have two pitties.
Oh, there you go.
How much are like the plushies
Make me an offer.
in the book bag?
We'll do a bundle deal. You know.
Okay, just make.
Love those.
Jess, are we buying this?
Yeah, they check it. Duh.
Our dog loves this more than anything.
Our dog is blind.
Our
so
dog
she does not get it very
old
much.
and blind, and
We have an old blind one as well. Poor little Shih Tzu. He's an old little blind.
Yeah.
I was thrilled when I found all the parts that I was like going, hey, we haven't used this in a long, long time.
I gotta ask. I see the gaming chair. Do you guys have any video game stuff?
Just sold it.
Oh, you just sold it.
Yep.
Well, what'd you have?
Actually, you know, I have a Xbox 2 upstairs that's for sale.
Xbox 2 or PlayStation?
A PlayStation 2.
Okay.
PlayStation.
Do you have games and stuff for it?
I don't think I do anymore.
Does the system work?
Yeah.
What do you want for it?
I don't know. I think my daughter was buying it off me for $100.
Oh, okay. She's gonna buy it for 100. That's a good deal. I would take it.
Yeah, okay.
take the $100.
but then they started coming out with all these.
Yeah.
I can't
I
keep
miss
up.
the simplicity of the NES and the Ataris
the
and
Atari
these-
5600.
Oh, you hit a 5600?
Yeah, I had the 5600.
What was your
Played
favorite game?
Pong.
Pong?
Pong and Asteroids.
Yeah.
That's all they had.
It was the most.
Space Invaders.
It's the most simplistic game in the entire world, but it was like it was life changing for everybody at the
I know,
time.
right?
What was the one that had the little flying deals of the joust?
Joust, yeah, Joust, yeah, Space Invaders. You had like,
I love that.
I love Joust.
Yeah.
Now everything's online. Like I'm like,
Yeah.
pause the game and come eat. He's like, you can't pause the game. It's a live feed, mom. Like,
I know.
what? You're
Our
playing
son
with
gets-
strangers? What are you doing?
Stranger Danger.
Yeah.
What is this, Garmin? Jess, what is this thing? Right here. Mm. I need hands. Can you hold these for a second? What's the backstory with this? The Garmin?
So the Garmin on that is basically brand new. It's missing the transducer because I sold the boat and forgot to pull the transducer off of it. So you have to buy a transducer, but those are like $40.
Yeah.
And that's like brand new. So
Gotcha.
What do you offer? We sold the boat.
They always say the happiest days when you buy a boat and when you sell a boat.
Well, yeah, we don't live on the lake anymore.
I thought I'd pulled the transducer out. I saw it all packed up. I was like, yeah, we're good. Yeah, just let me pick the boat up.
What do you think you want for it?
What is that? It's called $50.
$50. About $40 a transducer.
How much are the tops?
Take 25 for it?
30.
30?
Mm-hmm.
I think I'll do 30.
Okay.
All right. 30, and then I got that stuff there.
Oh, hey, babe. How much for the stuff she's got in her arms?
Just the 2 plushies and the checkout. I got this right now for 30 right now.
Mm-hmm. She does that shit.
$5? Sure. All right. You guys got change for 5?
I do.
All right. Perfect. What is this?
There you go.
All right.
That's
thank you,
a
sir.
water filter to purify out like some of the stuff.
Oh, okay.
When I bought it, I bought everything, and the guy who installed it goes, "That's better than this, and you don't need that." And I was like, okay, well.
Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for the deals. Appreciate you guys. And good luck.
You too.
Good morning. Oh, look at the dog.
Yeah, that was not for sale.
Not for sale? Hi.
Annabella.
Friendly?
Yeah, she is friendly.
Oh, yeah, she is. Oh, look at her bows. Hi. Hi. Oh, give me kisses.
Puppy girl.
Yeah, it comes with a free ride to the hospital. How much is this?
That one $5.
$5.
Yeah, I want that.
Of course she does. I didn't have to ask her whether or not. You got change for 20. Mrs. Punchin wanted this sign for the house, and you know what they say: a happy wife is a happy life. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Well, that's cute. Oh, this whole thing's about to slide off
Yeah,
now.
the whole thing. I need to.
How much is this one?
How about $3?
$3.
I have the box and the styrofoam that it goes into,
All right.
so
Would you like
it
me to get
safely
that?
gets there. Okay.
Get that for me? Thank
Yeah,
you so much, ma'am.
Rio, this isn't working here.
Yeah, you're in a
We
slope
need
here.
to get some. Yeah. We either need to move it down there or we need to.
Balls. Okay.
So you might want to slide the table up front here a little bit more.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
My husband's a stickler for rolls, and he came out here and he was super cranky that I blocked the sidewalk. I was like, it's a garage, so you're supposed to block the sidewalk.
Us, man.
I think that's too much. Way too much. We need something that's like a half an inch. Nothing's in perfect condition.
Yeah.
I just never got into the burning
Yeah.
stuff.
Are you still laughing about that over there?
Yeah.
My dad worked at the Peeps.
Oh,
he worked
yeah?
at the candy factory for like 30-something years, so he absolutely hates. He hates them, stuff like that. Like,
That would be a fantastic gag.
yeah, that's what we were just talking about.
Like, oh, welcome. Don't you feel at home?
This thing's cool. How much you have on this?
$2.
$2? I'll take it for $2.
All right.
Okay.
So now I have
There you go, $6.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Take care.
You have a wonderful day.
Okay, you too.
Okay.
Oh, Department 56. New food to shop. How much you having the shoes? $5. What is this? New England?
I think they're Christmas.
Yeah, there's a Christmas. I just never seen like a pirate ship before, like a ship. No, it's a boating ship. No, New England.
Maybe, I don't know. My best friend lives here. That's all her.
Oh, it's all her stuff. Gotcha. Gotcha. How old's your projector?
I mean, there's no way they could have done it last time.
Yeah, no. Oh, yeah. do I want an I love my boyfriend sweatshirt? Probably not.
Listen, my daughter's boyfriend bought that for her on, like, I don't know, some website, right?
Yeah.
TikTok shop or something.
Yeah.
And he ordered whatever size it was, and it's like, it looks like for an infant.
Yeah. You want this?
Nope.
That's right. Good answer. Because you don't have a boyfriend. You have a husband. Good answer. You passed the test.
You guys are funny.
I'll let her drive home with me now. She don't have to walk home. Is this yours or hers?
It's Tammy's.
Tammy's. Do you know if like all the pieces are here at all? Or?
Tammy! She would be able to tell you. Tam, are all the pieces in this?
Yes.
Okay.
Cool. And it works?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes, it does.
So this is hers, this is mine.
Those are cute shoes.
Yeah, Nelson, I think maybe wore them.
All right, well, here's your $5.
Thank you very much.
Here's your $2.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I have an absolute blast when Mrs. Punchin comes out picking with me, even though she spends my money every time we go out there, but I always have a blast. Great to spend quality time with the wife when we're out and about. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Please do me a huge favor and like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Check us out tonight at 6 p.m. We're going to be in Whatnot. We're doing a raid train with the Philly Flipper and a bunch of other resellers. So come check that out. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.